There was once a king who believed that if he could only know the answer to 3 questions, he would never fail in any venture. The first question was, what is the most important time to begin everything? The second question was, who are the most important people to listen to? And the third question was, what is the most important thing to do? He proclaimed that he would give a great reward to anyone who could answer them. Many learned men came to the palace, but their answers were all different, and none of them satisfied the king. So the king decided to seek the wisdom of a hermit who lived in the mountains and was said to be very wise. Disguised as a peasant, the king went to the hermit's hut and found the old man digging in his garden. The king asked his 3 questions. The hermit listened but said nothing and simply went on digging. Seeing that the old man was frail and tired, the king took the spade and began to dig for him. He dug for hours until the sun began to set. Just then, a man with a terrible wound in his stomach stumbled out of the woods and collapsed. The king, forgetting all about his questions, immediately rushed to the man's side. He cleaned the wound and bandaged it with his own shirt, saving the man's life. He and the hermit carried the man into the hut where he fell asleep. The king, exhausted from his long day, lay down and slept as well. The next morning, the king approached the hermit, ready to leave. "I came to you for answers," he said, "but you have given me none." The hermit looked at the king. "But your questions have already been answered," he said. "If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, you would have been attacked on your way home. Therefore, the most important time was when you were digging. The most important person was me, and the most important thing to do was to do me good." Later, the hermit continued, "When the wounded man ran to us, the most important time was the moment you cared for him, for if you had not, he would have died. So he was the most important person, and what you did for him was the most important thing." "Remember this, then," the hermit said, his voice quiet but clear. "There is only one time that is important, and that time is now. The most important person is the one you are with at this moment. And the most important thing to do is to do good for that person. For this is the only purpose of life."